Well, g'day, my friends. Uh, I've been hard at work on this project. First, let's adjust the video title, or what's it probably gonna be. Why am I saying game parentheses engine? Well, in the process of making my game without an engine, I think I've accidentally started to create a game engine of my own. Because I'm creating these processes that could be used in a different game in the future. So what have I been doing for the past, I don't know, week? First I made a scene system for my game, and then I made a UI system for my game. I've been hard at work making all of these UI components. It took me a while. Some of them made me want to rip off my head, but it works. So let me show you what I've got. So when I start the project, so first we get this super cool title scene menu. Then I have this play button, so when I click it, bam, I get to the game settings menu. So scene, this is a scene. So these are different scenes, so I have a scene system that makes me able to change scene. So then we have all of these UI components. So I have a checkbox, a function checkbox that will affect whether I can see the debug info or not. Let's check it. I made these input boxes that so I can choose the width of the board, I can choose the height of the board, I can choose how much what's the maximum characters I can get. So here it's 5, but that can be changed in the code. I can choose whether I want these text boxes to only get numbers or both numbers and letters. These are set to only accept numbers. The code for that is a bit janky, honestly. I could probably redo it better, but you know. When I go to advanced, I have this this thing. I don't know what it's called, like an array index chooser or something. So that was interesting to do. The implementation's a bit weird, but it works. It works perfectly. So, you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So let's choose, I don't know, limestone. And here I have the secret settings. So here I basically only made this, so these settings, this color chooser affects the color of your cursor in the game. So let's choose like pink. But I made this because I wanted to make a checkbox array thing. So you see all of these checkbox affects each other. So when I click this one, it unselects this one, you know? So that's why I made this. It was to make sure that my checkbox array thing worked. Because it's a different implementation of the checkbox than here. This is just a single checkbox. This is a checkbox array. Anyways, once you're done with the game settings, you click play. And yeah, so first thing you can see, I have this debug info in the top left. This is basically just the frame rate. Second thing, you can see that my cursor is pink. I'm not sure if you can see it with the OBS compression thing. Then I have this UI on the left. So this is a panel. I made a panel, and these are changing text. So here I have text, but I also have changing text. Text is for static text, and changing text is text that is dependent on something. So these are changing text because they're dependent on what I'm hovering over. Now you might say, what's up with the world generation? Yeah, this was just test stuff. So if we go into game and populate board, so basically what I'm checking is if the position in the x-axis is over 128, make it randomly between wait, no, what's going on? Oh yeah, okay. So I roll a dice between 0 and 256. If it's over 128, then check if the position in X is smaller than the camera position, so the middle of the board. If so, make it the default tile. If not, make it a new stone. And as we said in the settings, the default tile was limestone. and otherwise just make it a default tile. So let's check again. If we make the default tile dirt, then it's dirt and stone. That was just to make sure that my whole system worked, because I want to make a system where, depending on how far away you are from the start position, you could get different materials. So diamond will only show up like once you explore further, Also, yeah, here my cursor is white because by default it's white. But let's change that. Let me my microphone just died. I'm back. You might say cut in the video. I don't know. Um, Anyways, so let's change this just for demonstration purposes. Um, so let's make it if I is smaller than 3, make it, yeah, diamond, new diamond, IJ, and that's only gonna happen if I is smaller than 3 and the dice is over 128. So if we check this, wait, what? Oh, no. So you're gonna get a new diamond if I is smaller than 3. Yeah, so now if we go, bam, you see? Now this whole edge has both diamonds and dirt. So half diamonds, half dirt, because as you said, the die is over 128, which is half of 256. So yeah, so that's what I've been working on. Mainly the UI system was a pain to implement, but yeah, all of those UIs, I'm going to be able to reuse them in the future for a different project, so that's pretty cool. So that's why I'm saying, like, I made a game parentheses engine, because I'm making the game engine as I'm making the game, So as I encounter new problems. So my next, what's next? So I have all these settings, I can choose my my default tile. So what's next? What's next is robots, implementing rails, implementing minecarts, implementing like extraction devices and stuff, and an inventory system. So that's what's next. It's probably gonna take a while, but should be pretty cool. Anyways, see ya. Before leaving, check out the links in the description. There's a Discord server. Join if you're interested or something. I don't know. Anyways, see ya.